Hey everyone, Allie here with Maine SNAP-Ed and Healthy Acadia, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making banana sushi, which is a great snack in the afternoon. So let's wash our hands and get cooking. Alright, so I just finished washing my hands for 20 seconds, and now let's get started with our recipe. So for this recipe we're going to need some whole wheat tortillas, some bananas, I have some raisins and cinnamon, and then also some peanut butter. And all of these ingredients I actually already had in my house, so I didn't even need to go to the grocery store. So our first step is going to be to take out our tortilla and spread peanut butter on it. If you need help with the spreading, this is a good place to ask an adult for help. Alright, now that my peanut butter is all spread, and you'll notice I left a little bit of space here on the rim, now we can sprinkle our raisins and cinnamon inside. Feel free to also use nuts or any other thing that you can find in your pantry that you think is delicious. Now I'm going to use a spoon to sprinkle my cinnamon. And then our last step is going to peel our banana and place it on the inside. All right, and now we get to roll it all up. Now, you also might need a grown-up to help you with this last step, because now we need to cut our sushi into about 8 bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna cut off this excess tortilla that doesn't really have any of my banana on it. And now if we turn them over, kind of looks like sushi. All right, so I got my snack all made, but before we dig in, I want to see if you can tell me what different food groups we used today during our snack time. So if you want to, pause the video here and think about if we used vegetables, fruits, grains, protein, or dairy. And I'll give you a little hint. We used 3 different food groups today. So go ahead and think about it. All right, did you think about it a little bit? So one of the food groups we used was fruits. So as you can see right here, our banana and then also our raisins are in our fruit category. What else did we use? So we also used some grains. Remember our whole wheat tortilla that we wrapped our snack in? So that is a grain. And then can you think of the last food group? So that's going to be our protein, because we spread peanut butter onto our snack, and peanut butter has a lot of great protein. So we used 3 out of our 5 food groups in this snack, and that makes it super awesome and nutritious, but also super yummy. All right, so go ahead and dig in, and thank you for joining me today.